Hi guys, I wanted to show you a couple of samples from each of the worksheets so you will know kind of what you're looking at while you're at home doing this. So the first paper is going to show us simple monohybrid crosses. For number 1, simply all you have to do is write in if something is heterozygous or homozygous. Heterozygous means different. Homozygous means the same. So we're looking at genotypes. If the letters are the same size, then it's going to be homozygous. If the letters are a different size, it's going to be heterozygous. Purebred is going to be anything that is homozygous. So these can be genotypes like 2 big letters or 2 little letters. Hybrids are heterozygous. These are going to be mixed size letters. So for example, a big letter and a little letter. Number 2 says determine the phenotype for the genotype. Genotype is genetic makeup. Phenotype is physical characteristics. What do you actually see? So if yellow body color is dominant to blue, and dominant is a big letter, then here we have 2 big letters that shows that this is the dominant color. This would be color yellow. There's a dominant present here, so it still will be yellow. Here we have 2 small recessive letters, so that's going to be blue. Same thing with shape. It's just the physical based off of the genotypes that you're given. Number 3, for each phenotype, give the genotypes that are possible for Patrick. So if a tall head is dominant to short, tall genotypes could be 2 big letters or a big letter and a little letter. The recessive gene is going to only be 2 little letters. So, SpongeBob meets Sponge Susie at a dance. SpongeBob is heterozygous for square. Sponge Susie is round. We're going to create a Punnett square to show the possibilities, and your letters are going to come up here from question 2, so we skipped that. But let's see, SpongeBob is heterozygous. That means he has two different alleles. Sponge Susie is round. We saw that that's the recessive trait up here, so she is going to have, I'll put it here, 2 little letters. We're going to split these and put them into our Punnett square. So you put 1 letter over each box. This would be SpongeBob's. And then we can do Sponge Susie's. And then you match them all in your boxes. We're going to determine possible genotypes and phenotypes. So we have a big B and a little b, and we have a little b, little b. Big B, little b carries the dominant trait, so it's going to be the dominant characteristic, which is square. This will be round. And then we're going to create a percentage. So how many are square? We have 2 out of 4, which is 50%. Same thing here, 1, 2 out of 4, 50%.